I like how we vibing. 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 I like how we vibing.
This video is sponsored by our channel sponsor, which is 015. You can find them on 015.co.za for some premium web hosting from as little as 45 Rand 90 cents. I mean, 45.90. Think about it. That's not a lot. And you will get some premium domains. And I personally would advise you on getting maybe the Supreme or the Executive packs, because it comes with a lot of benefits and a lot more storage. And you can host multiple websites on one package, you know. And this is, since we are talking businesses and growing your businesses, you can actually get your business registered by them. And there's some benefits, you know. You can get a name reservation, company registration, a certificate, income tax number, and you can even get a free.co.za domain if you pick one of the higher packages, or you can get a free QuickBooks subscription for 3 months. For 3 months. Yo, that's nice. You know, that's really, really nice. And if you want a website, they can actually develop a website for you at a very affordable rate of starting from 2,100, excluding VAT, I think. But it's not a lot. Think about it. 2,100. You spend a lot more on other things. But yeah, and once again, executive plans and supreme plans, you literally get free domains. They, for the first year, they are literally out here trying to win you guys over. Anyway, let's continue with the video. Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. And this is the second or third video in our QuickBooks series. So QuickBooks Online series. So we are going to be adding a customer or a bunch of customers in this video. So this whole video is about adding customers, sub-customers, and yeah. So we're going to start off by adding a customer here. So you'll find it under dashboard, under shortcuts, and then you'll find it under add customers. So you'll go there and click add customer. And then here we're going to say let's say V Jacobs. We're just making these names on the fly, hey? And this is for 15K entertainment. So then we are going to, under display name, normally it gives you the first name of the contact person that you're putting here, but it's better to put the name of the company that you're dealing with so that you're aware, or you know who's the actual client, you know. So in this case, 15K Entertainment is a client. VAT registration number, we're just gonna random number as usual. And then address, we're just gonna put a random address. Sandton, Gauteng, 2146. South Africa. And then yeah, email, we're just gonna leave that blank, but this is where you would put multiple emails, and then you would put a comma just to separate them, you know. So, and website, we'll put on a website here if need be. And since this is going to be a parent company, we're not gonna make it a sub, we're gonna leave it as it is. And then we're gonna press save. And voila, you've created your very first customer. And then another way of adding a customer is by going to invoicing and add, and you're going to click on customers, and then you're just going to say new customer. So we're going to add our next customer, which, yeah, we're going to say Mr. Okay. And that's YK Media. You know, just net for control, or let me say miss YK. We're gonna say YK Media, and then here same story, YK Media. We're gonna leave the VAT blank. They don't have to be registered for VAT in this case. And then address, we'll say we're making these names on the fly, guys. City Brits Northwest. So that's that, and that is our second customer. So the two customers we've added, they are businesses. So we're going to add an individual. So you can go back to customers. Instead of going here and here, you can click customers, and then it will bring you back here and you'll say new custom. The other thing is that you can also import customers if you've got them on an Excel spreadsheet. So I don't have them on an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV spreadsheet. So you add them to this. It'll obviously, you'll go here and then you'll download the example file. So this is what the example file will look like. And then you just put in the information based on this, so that when you do bring it in into the system, it's easier. So you'll just copy this, or you'll just remove this, all of these. So you'll remove them as, remove, and then you'll start inputting your details accordingly based on this. And then once you're done, you browse for your file and then you upload it accordingly. But since I'm not doing that, I'm just gonna click on cancel. So we've added here. There's a new way that they've actually done. There's something new here. I don't remember seeing this. This is actually new. You can actually go to this little icon here, or this little section where it's written customers and leads. So now you start looking at marketing as well. So it's quite handy what this tool does, So let's see. So, well, I guess it brings you here, but you also have marketing. Let's go to marketing. Let's check that out. What's going on? Is it still work in progress? Or maybe it's my internet. Who knows? I'm inclined to believe that it's my internet. Yeah, that's what I thought. This is still work in progress. So that's why I'm a bit shocked. So this section is most probably work in progress. So we'll let it be. And then, we're going to add another customer. This time around, we're going to add an individual. So, Mr. Or let's say Beats by and then depending on what you want to have them. In my case, I don't want to I'll leave it as it is. So I'll be here. It will be known as Mr. Beats by Nana. I'm not going to put a VAT number. I'm not going to put an address because it's an individual. So I'm not going to even bother with an address. Actually, no, let's do an address. Say Midrand. Let's say let's say that Midrand, Gauteng. South. And then click save. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get your customers into the system. You can load them. Oh, I made a mistake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit Beats by Nana. So what I'm going to do is I meant to do this earlier. Remember when I was telling you that 15K Entertainment is going to be a parent company for something else? So here we're going to click on sub customer, and under sub customer the parent company will then become 15K Entertainment, and then I'm going to build with the parent. So then I'm going to press save. Now you'll see it here, 15 Entertainment, Mr. Beats by Nana. So now when we go to customers, you'll see it's indented nyana. So there's a little bit of indentation. Whew, English, guys, English. Anyway, so that's that. As you can see, we are done with adding the very first 3 customers. And in the next video, we're going to do invoices. We're going to do credit notes. We're going to do returns, credit notes. And then we're also going to do purchase orders, as well as quotations / I guess purchase orders and quotations go hand in hand. But anyway, we'll do those. And yeah, so that's that. And please don't forget to check us out wherever you are checking this out from. Like, subscribe, and connect with us at connect@MCP Online, or just visit mcponline.co.za. Love, peace, and prosperity.